Have you ever stood in the grocery store aisle staring at rows of cooking oils and wondered which one to pick? With so many options, olive, coconut, avocado, canola, sesame, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the thing, not all cooking oils are created equal. The oil you choose can impact the flavor, texture, and even the nutritional value of your meals. Whether you're frying, baking, or drizzling over a salad, picking the right oil matters. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're breaking down the most popular cooking oils, their best uses, health benefits, and even some common myths you should know about. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident choosing the perfect oil for every dish. Let's get started. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the key factors you need to consider when choosing a cooking oil. Think of this as your cheat sheet for making the best decision every time you cook. First up, smoke point, the temperature at which oil starts to break down and smoke. Oils with low smoke points, like extra virgin olive oil, are great for drizzling or low-heat cooking, while high smoke point oils, like avocado oil, are perfect for frying and roasting. Next, consider the health benefits. Not all fats are created equal. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, found in olive and avocado oils, are heart healthy, while saturated fats, like those in coconut oil, should be used in moderation. Finally, think about flavor profile. Some oils, like sesame or extra virgin olive oil, add a distinct flavor to dishes, while others, like canola or refined coconut oil, are neutral and let your ingredients shine. By understanding these factors, you can choose the best oil for your cooking needs. Now that we've covered the key factors to consider when choosing a cooking oil, let's dive into the breakdown of popular cooking oils. We'll explore their unique characteristics, best uses, and health benefits so you can make informed decisions in the kitchen. Let's start with one of the most popular oils out there, olive oil. Olive oil is a kitchen staple, but did you know there are different types? Extra virgin olive oil is unrefined, cold-pressed, and packed with flavor, making it perfect for drizzling over salads or dipping bread. On the other hand, refined olive oil has a lighter taste and a higher smoke point, making it better for sautéing and medium heat cooking. With a smoke point of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for extra virgin and 465 degrees Fahrenheit for refined, olive oil is versatile and heart healthy thanks to its rich content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Whether you're making a salad dressing or sautéing vegetables, olive oil is a reliable choice. Next up, let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil has gained popularity for its unique flavor and health benefits, but it's important to know how to use it. Unrefined coconut oil has a strong coconut aroma and taste, making it ideal for baking or adding a tropical twist to dishes. Refined coconut oil, on the other hand, is neutral in flavor and has a higher smoke point, making it better for frying. With a smoke point of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for unrefined and 450 degrees Fahrenheit for refined, coconut oil is great for medium heat cooking. However, it's high in saturated fat, so moderation is key. Whether you're baking cookies or frying plantains, coconut oil adds a unique touch to your dishes. If you're looking for an oil that can handle high heat, avocado oil is your best bet. With a smoke point of 520 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for frying, roasting, and grilling. But it's not just about heat resistance. Avocado oil is also packed with health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health, and contains vitamin E, great for skin and eye health. Plus, its mild, buttery flavor makes it a versatile choice for everything from salad dressings to searing steaks. If you're cooking at high temperatures, avocado oil is a must-have in your kitchen. For a neutral oil that won't overpower your dishes, canola oil is a great option. With a smoke point of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for frying, baking, and general cooking. It's also low in saturated fat and contains omega-3 fatty acids, making it a heart-healthy choice. Whether you're frying chicken or baking a cake, canola oil's mild flavor and versatility make it a kitchen workhorse. Now, let's talk about sesame oil, a star in Asian cuisine. There are two types to know about. Regular sesame oil is mild and great for stir-frying, while toasted sesame oil has a deep, nutty flavor and is best used as a finishing oil. With a smoke point of 410 degrees Fahrenheit for regular and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for toasted, sesame oil is perfect for adding a nutty kick to dishes. It's also rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it a flavorful and nutritious choice. Let's not forget about some other great oils. Peanut oil is perfect for deep frying with its high smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while grapeseed oil is a neutral option for sautéing and baking. And if you're looking for richness, ghee or a clarified butter has a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit and adds a nutty, caramelized flavor to dishes. Each of these oils has its own unique strengths, so it's worth experimenting to find your favorites. Now that we've covered the basics, let's clear up some common mistakes and myths about cooking oils. First, the myth that extra virgin olive oil shouldn't be heated. While it's true that it has a lower smoke point, it's perfectly fine for medium heat cooking. Another common mistake is reusing oil too many times for frying. Repeated heating degrades the oil and creates harmful compounds, so it's best to use fresh oil or filter and store it properly for limited reuse. Finally, the idea that coconut oil is always the healthiest option isn't entirely true. While it has some benefits, it's high in saturated fat, so moderation is key. By understanding these myths and mistakes, you can make smarter choices in the kitchen. As we've explored the unique flavors and health benefits of different cooking oils, it's clear that choosing the right one can make all the difference in your dishes. Now, let's bring it all together. Choosing the right oil can elevate your cooking and support your health. Whether you're drizzling olive oil over a salad, frying with avocado oil, or adding a nutty kick with sesame oil, each oil has its own unique benefits. So which oil do you use the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.